Yo, what up? This is Jay York back in the studio again tonight. And right now we got a special treat for you again. Who's in the studio tonight? Classic is here in the building right here tonight. You know what I'm saying? Y'all check this boy out as he do this freestyle. You know my man, he's hot all day, every day. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Classic, you know what I'm saying? Also, we got my man Cash in the studio. And, you know what I'm saying? He right now, he putting some things down. He writing some lyrics and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? He getting ready to jump in the booth. You know what I mean? So, but here's Classic right now. Check him out.
What up, North Cocky back? It's your boy Classic, a.k.a. Class. Check me out, my nigga. This is how my shit go. I seek, destroy, and motherfucking conquer. The streets is a beast, but my squad is some monsters. You got to be bonkers to come at clap. Cause I send my whole squad to go gun that trap, so don't run that yet. If you ain't really bout shit, cause them bullets will penetrate in and out shit. I leave your slouch bitch in front of your car with hoes smoking out your chest like a Cuban cigar. You niggas know who we are. I'm the one with the four, hyping niggas up to kill when it's time for war. I'm on their mind for sure. I'ma shine for sure, cause the shit I spit be hotter than the tea they pour. It won't be no more, cause I'm the last of the breed, the leader of the streets and the king of the G's. Classic niggas. What up, North Cocky back?
Alright. Yeah, that was Classic right there. Also, I got my man Cash in the studio tonight. I'm going to hand it over to him. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going to talk too much through this whole joint, so y'all won't be saying I'm talking too much on the tube. So, but I'm going to hand it over to my man Cash and let him shout out his boy or whatever like that. Let him say what he got to say or whatever right now. Here's Cash.
Cash, baby, ow. Shout out to my nigga Class right there. That's my nigga right there. Shout out to Jay York, the man behind the camera, you know, the man behind the productions. Hey, I want to spit something too, man.
Go ahead.
Hey, Class.
Let him have it.
Here's what I tell the haters, yo.
What's that, my nigga?
I hear him talking, but he ain't really processing. Listen up, cause the teacher about to give a lesson. That pump make that ass jump like Jordan, boy. That mean I air that ass out like Nike, boy. Tell him to check yourself before he damages himself. Better yet, let him damage himself. I'm in my zone, yeah, dog, I'm gone. When I'm up in the clouds, I feel like I'm at home. Bitch, nigga, it's on. I put wire in your face like Kanye and 50. At the circus like City. Ask my nigga, is he with me? Ride a strap to the boys to come get me. Lord, I'm on empty. My patience wearing thin. I'm ready to get it in, huh?
That's what's up, man.
Yo, that was a nice one, man. That was a nice one, Cash. Alright, y'all check him out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all check us out on the tube, whatever. You know what I mean? Hit us up on Facebook and hit us up on Reverb Nation. Yo, we got that R&B and we got that serious rap coming your way pretty soon, very soon. Tiffany has laid down some stuff. Whoa. You are not ready for this. You are not ready for this. I'm telling you. I might be saying you're ready for it. I should be saying you're ready for it, but you're not ready for this. I'm telling you, we got some fire stuff, yo. So check us out. This is Jay York, Jay York Productions. We out.